Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company CurlsCurls. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now this unit that I will be showing you guys today is the Zoe Lace Closure Wig, and it has the 4x4 parting space. You do get your normal cap construction, which is 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable strap. And you also get that soft Swiss lace, and this one does have a pre-plucked hairline even though it's only a lace closure wig, and there it goes. It looks really good. And then this unit is 180% in density. It is 18 inches in length, and I have a cap size small. We'll be styling this unit on camera for you guys. So this is what it is looking like after I have washed and conditioned it. And as you guys can see, those curls are popping, and I'm going to run my wide tooth comb through it, and I had no issues running my comb through it, no type of snags. But the hair looks really good. Like I said, this is 180% in density, so it does have some weight to it, and you guys will see just how much bigger it gets once it is air dried. I am just doing a simple middle part on this unit. Now I did go in and slightly bleach the knots. I did not do like a deep bleach, but the knots were kind of dark towards the back area. So the front of the hairline, it looked like it was already pre-bleached, so I just kind of finished it off. So I only left the 30 volume developer on for like 10 to 15 minutes, and that helped kind of knock it out. But I definitely don't think that you need to bleach the knots at all. They're pretty fine. So I have my water mist bottle, and you definitely want to keep this around because the hair is so thick, so it will start to dry out. And I prefer to style my curly hair when it is really wet. I do not like to dry style it at all. So for today, I will be just using my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine leave-in conditioner. I know y'all probably surprised, like, oh my gosh, she is not using the She Is Bomb Fuse Foam. So the last 2 bottles that I have been buying of that product has been leaving like a flaky residue. And then the other bottle, it just wasn't foaming up right. So I need to go get some more. But I'm just gonna pull out this good old faithful Garnier Fructis. I've used it plenty of times before in the past, and it's still gonna give me some nice results, and the curls are going to be very soft. After I'm done putting product into this unit, I am going to go back and forth using my fingers and also using a rat tail comb to kind of just define the curls the way that I want them to be. Now sometimes I will use a paddle brush, but the curls kind of clump together, and I wasn't going for that look. So it's just really up to you how you want to style the curly hair and how it is going to come out looking. But as you guys can see, the way that comb is just gliding through the hair, it looks just so pretty. So once I am done doing all that, then I am going to let this baby air dry. I won't touch it again until it is time for me to come back to putting it on my head. So this is what the hair looks like on the mannequin head 2 days later. It is nice and air dried, and those curls are looking good. And now I am just going to go ahead and put this on my head. Make sure that the fit is okay, because I didn't try it on previously to make sure the cap size was good. But this small cap size is perfect for me. With this company, I always go with a small. Guys, make sure you know your head measurements when picking out any wig, because you don't want it to be too big, and you definitely don't want it to be too small. This is going to be a glueless install. I'm not going to put any type of adhesive underneath my lace. I'm not going to do any of that. I don't have to, because this is fitting me so well. And I'm just cutting off this lace. It was literally like a snip, and that was it. Okay, no extra fuss to it. That's the good thing about these closure wigs. You don't have to worry about doing too much. So I'm gonna go in with my powder. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette in the color light medium. And I know it's coming off a little bit light right now, but I'm definitely going to make sure to fix it all up. And then I'm going to go around the front of the hairline, and then of course at the start of where the lace is. And then I'll be taking my fingers and just kind of rubbing it through those areas, just so that I can get any of that excess powder off. Now I noticed right here in the very front area where I keep trying to comb at, the parting space was a little bit more wider on that side. So I'm going to use my eyeliner pen and just kind of fill in that space. Now you can go in with a marker, like a black marker, or you can also go in with some eyeshadow and do that. And as you guys can see, kind of close it up a little bit more. And then to make sure that it looks natural, I'm going to use my edge brush and just kind of brush it in so that it's just not sitting there. Now time to fluff up those curls. So I'm gonna go in with the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I'm going to run that throughout the hair. Of course, all the products that I am using throughout this video will be found down below in the description area. So I'm not going to fluff it up too much, but just enough because I still kind of want that, you know, kind of wet look, but not too wet, but it still looks very moisturized. So I'm not gonna fluff it up too much. And I'm very satisfied with the way that the Sleek and Shine conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, came off. I think I will be using that a little bit more now for my curls because I love the outcome of it. It was very lightweight, and I just like the way that the hair is looking. Y'all let me know what y'all think because these curls are definitely popping. I'm really feeling this. This is the final look of Miss Zoe, and Miss Zoe curls are all that in a bag of chips. Now this is a Burmese curly texture, so the hair texture on this is between a 3A to a 3B when it comes to the curl pattern. And it does start at 12 inches and then does go all the way up to 20 inches. I like the way that this one is hitting me, but of course if you want to go shorter or longer, you definitely can. And then look at the hair, y'all. Look how it's moving. The density, the curls, on point. Now the lace closure looks really good. I didn't have any cons. It was perfect as far as how open it was. It wasn't a tight parting space. And then like I said, you do get the pre-plucked hairline still. I just had to go in and fill in that one area on that side. I'm not sure what that was about, but it looked a little bit wider on that one side, but the pen definitely helped. And then as you guys can see, this is glueless, so able to pop on and pop off. Now, even though I have the lace closure wig, if of course you want more parting space and more versatility, you do have the option of a lace front wig, which has 150% density, or you can get the full lace wig, which has 130% density. Overall, guys, I really don't have any cons when it comes to this unit. The curls are popping. Of course, it is going to be a little bit more high maintenance because of the density and the curl pattern, but I'm feeling this. She's real cute. If you are interested in this unit, guys, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below. Once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.